Okay guys, so here is my I don't know what it is, but I know it's a Hammond collection Fierce Force dilophosaurus. Yeah, it's cool by the way. This is my first Hammond collection right now. Oh, don't bully my channel. Cool thing about this is that every dilophosaurus that they make, I think they have this. They can roar. Not the sound, but like this. You just gotta move it upright. Hold this on. You just got like this. Cool thing about this is the frill. The frill looks like a Spider-Man themed, and you know that when that comes, it's cool. It's about the size of a no. Oh, I think it's this, like this. Nah, no, it's the size of this. Okay. No nail color, but I still like it. Blah. Yo, he ain't brushing his teeth. His color yellow. Yellow like my floor? Nah, my floor kind of looks like. In my camera on this gadget that I'm using, it looks like blue, but in true thing, it's yellow. Can you see the yellow on this? Please say you can. Okay, yes, you can see his yellow eyes, but not my floor. Okay, here is the articulation. Oh, scan code. I don't have the app right now, so